How do social services impact custody rights for disabled parents? Have you ever wondered how social services influence custody rights for parents with disabilities? This is a vital topic that affects many families. Let's break it down. Social services play a key role in custody decisions involving disabled parents. Their assessments and recommendations can significantly influence outcomes. While disabled parents have the legal right to custody and visitation, social services can sometimes create challenges due to biases about disabilities. First, it is essential to know that disabled parents are protected under federal laws. The Americans with Disabilities Act and Section 500 of the Rehabilitation Act prohibit discrimination based on disability in custody decisions. Courts must evaluate a parent's actual ability to care for their child, taking into account any accommodations or support systems they use. When social services assess a disabled parent's situation, they focus on how the disability affects caregiving. This evaluation should be based on facts, not stereotypes. They look at specific limitations caused by the disability, how the parent adapts, and what support is available from family or the community. However, despite these legal protections, many disabled parents face discrimination in family courts. Studies indicate that disabled parents, especially those with intellectual, psychiatric, or sensory disabilities, often experience higher rates of custody loss. Social services may rely on assumptions about disabilities instead of evidence of neglect or harm, leading to more involvement in child welfare cases. On the positive side, social services can also provide support to disabled parents. They can connect parents with resources, accommodations, and peer support networks. When social services advocate for reasonable efforts, they help ensure that parents receive the assistance they need to be effective caregivers. For disabled parents, there are practical steps to consider. It is important to document how you meet your child's needs and what support you have in place. Having legal representation familiar with disability rights can be beneficial when navigating social services. Parents may choose to disclose their disabilities to access protections, but this decision can be personal and strategic. Building a strong support network can also positively influence social services assessments. In summary, social services impact custody rights for disabled parents in two ways. They can scrutinize parenting capacity and also provide necessary support. The key is ensuring that decisions are based on individual evidence and that accommodations are made rather than relying on assumptions about disabilities. This approach helps disabled parents create inclusive family lives where their parenting abilities are recognized and respected.